Kawasaki has introduced the road-legal dual sport bike, the KLX 230, specifically for the Indian market. Powered by a straightforward, air-cooled 2-valve 233cc single-cylinder engine, the KLX 230 produces 18.1 horsepower at 8,000 RPM and 18.3 Nm of torque at 6,400 RPM. This engine is paired with a 6-speed gearbox, offering an advantage over its main competitor, which has a 5-speed unit. The engine is housed within a perimeter frame and features a 37mm telescopic fork at the front and a monoshock at the rear, both offering substantial wheel travel of 240mm and 250mm respectively. While the rear shock includes preload adjustability, the suspension lacks further customization options. For braking, the KLX 230 is equipped with a 265mm front disc and a 220mm rear disc, complemented by switchable dual-channel ABS. Designed with simplicity in mind, the KLX 230 features minimalistic bodywork and a basic LCD display that includes Bluetooth connectivity. It also boasts an LED headlight for improved visibility. With a seat height of 880mm, the KLX 230 is relatively tall, but its slim profile makes it easier for riders to reach the ground. For those seeking a lower ride, an optional low seat is available, reducing the height to 766mm. The bike offers impressive ground clearance of 265mm and weighs in at a light 139 kilograms. It comes in two color options, the signature lime green and a more subdued battle gray. A variety of accessories are available for the KLX 230, including crash protection, hand guards, a luggage rack, a USB-C charger, and a handlebar pad. While Kawasaki has yet to announce the pricing for the KLX 230, it is set to be revealed in December. However, bookings are now open for a token amount of 5,000 rupees, with deliveries expected to start in January 2025.